In this video, I will show you how to make this crocheted top for your doll. In the next one, I will make a matching skirt. So subscribe because you don't want to miss it. And if you want to make also this bag, check my previous tutorial. I will leave you the link down below. Let's get started. To make this top, I will use lace cotton yarn. I'm using Maximum from Opus. As you can see, it's 565 meters in 100 grams. This is local yarn, but check description box down below where I will put some worldwide yarn, 2 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, needle, and also I will use 2 hair elastic. One I will use on the top, so in the neckline of the top, and the second one on the bottom. The second one, this from the bottom, is optional, so it will depend only of you. My elastic has about 1 inch, so 2.5 centimeters of diameter. We'll start to work our top from the bottom, so make a slip knot and make a chain of 40. Here we go, my chain of 40, and now I will insert my hook into the first stitch we made, into the first chain. Try to not twist your chain. And here, into this first chain, I will make a slip stitch. Okay, so from this moment we will work in rounds. Now chain 1, insert your hook into the same place and make a single crochet. And we will work 1 single crochet in each chain to the end to have a total of 40 single crochets. As you can see, I try to hide also this tail a little bit so I don't have as much to weave in the end. So just make 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end and we'll see in a moment. I've just made my last single crochet number 40. Now I will just insert my hook into the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. So this is what we have. Now chain 1 and we'll turn our work. Now we'll don't insert our hook here into the first place because this was the slip stitch, but here into the next place, that this was our last single crochet of the previous round. And here we'll make a single crochet. And now we will work again just 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of this second round. I recommend you to count stitches because if you don't use to work like this, turning the work after every round, not row, sometimes it can be tricky in the end. So I recommend you to count stitches so you are sure you make exactly 40 single crochets all over. So I will continue making my 40 single crochets and we'll see in a moment. Again, after my single crochet number 40, insert your hook into the first single crochet you've made and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. And again, insert your hook here into the next place and continue making 1 single crochet in each stitch to have again a total of 40. And we'll repeat exactly the same, making 40 single crochets all over until desired length. As I said, we are working from the bottom of our top, so we will grow it to the top. In a moment, I will tell you exactly how many rounds I've made, because as you know, I usually record as I'm working, so I don't have a pattern ready still. And again, also, if you know me, I like to make crop tops for my dolls. So in my case, it will be not as long, but obviously the length depends only of you. In a moment, I will tell you how many rounds I've made and you can make it much longer. So I will continue making my 40 single crochets every round, growing my top, and we'll see in a moment. So I've made a total of 11 rounds. This is what I have. Here I still need to make my last slip stitch. And as I said, the length depends on you, so you can make it much longer. And here I will chain one. This time do not turn your work and take your elastic. And insert your hook into the same stitch as you made where you made a slip stitch. Put the elastic band on it like this. Grab your yarn and make a single crochet as usual. Okay, insert into the next one. The elastic band is on the hook. Grab your yarn and make a single crochet. And we'll make this all over. So again, we'll make a total of 40 single crochets, but this time we are closing the elastic band inside. So just keep working, making again your 40 single crochets all over with the elastic inside. And in a moment, I will tell you what to do next. This is how it looks like. In the end, just enter into the first stitch, okay, and make a slip stitch. Chain one. Again, do not turn your work. And now we will still make single crochets here. We will work 8 single crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This is what we have. Skip 4 stitches here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and insert your hook into the 5th one. Make a single crochet. Okay, so this is what we have. This will be placed for one arm. Now, we will continue making single crochets. We made here 1, and we will make 15 more to have a total of 16 here on this part. So this was our first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16. And now again we'll make a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And again we will skip 4 stitches here. We stopped here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th one, make a single crochet. So here we have place for our other arm. And we still have to finish with 7 single crochets. So to have a total of 8 to the end. So here we started with 8, here we will finish with 8, we will have 16 in total, and here also 16 in total. So we'll finish this part. And my last one. Here again we'll make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. This is what we have here, chain 2, and this time we will turn our work. Okay, yarn over twice because we will work treble crochets. Insert your hook into this next stitch, grab your yarn, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so this was our first treble. I will show you once again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch because we will make 2 treble crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So it's like a double crochet, but instead of yarn over once, you will yarn over twice. And later you have to work one more time, no? To finish the stitch. Insert into the next one and we'll work 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch, and we have 1, 2, and 3. I hope it's clear. I will show you once more time. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, and work exactly like double crochet, but you will have to make this move one more time. And again into the same place. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and we will work this 2 treble crochet in each stitch. First in this we had here 8 single crochets, then in this 12 chains, so in every chain you will make 2 treble crochet. Then you will have 16 single crochets, 12 chains, and to finish 8 single crochets. And in every stitch, so it doesn't matter, it will be a single crochet or a chain, you will make 2 treble crochet in the same place. So keep working your 2 treble in each stitch to the end, and I will show you how it looks like in a moment. So after my last pair of trebles, this is what I have. I absolutely love how it turned out. Here I will make a slip stitch into the first stitch I've made. So not into chain, but into the stitch. And it depends of you. If you want to make one more round of just single crochet to make a nicer border, just go for it. But I will stop here, chain 1, cut my yarn, and this is what we have. Now we will just have to finish the bottom part. So look for this seam that I always leave on the back. Insert your hook here in this first stitch near to the seam, and I will introduce again my yarn. So make a slip knot, insert your yarn, chain 1 to attach it, and now it depends of you if you want to make just one round of single crochets, or as I said in the beginning, I will put here the other elastic. So I will insert again into the same place, put my elastic band on, grab yarn, and I will make my first single crochet with elastic inside, and I will just keep making one single crochet in each stitch all over, always with the elastic on the hook. And this will be the last thing. So just make a nice border, or with elastic as me, or just single crochets, and our top will be ready in a moment. Here we go. I've just made my last single crochet. Insert your hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. You can accommodate a little bit this later. So the elastic band, it's not so visible here, because here on the front you can see we hide it. Now just chain 1, cut the yarn. Here we go. Now you just have to weave in the ends, and a new top with ruffle for your doll is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls, and see you next time.